Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds Nothing Ear 2 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now, if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Right here at the right top we have a button Add Device, and we need to press at this button. Now select Bluetooth, and after that open the charging case. At the right side of the charging case we have Connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light inside the charging case flashed white. Here we go. Now we just enter pairing mode, so we should see it at the device list. And here it is. Click at your earbuds at the device list and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!